Protect your home, business, farm, warehouse, or outdoor property with the 15 megapixels 8K wireless solar PTZ security camera, an advanced AI-powered surveillance system designed to deliver crystal-clear video, intelligent motion detection, and reliable 24/7 monitoring without the need for constant power or complicated wiring. In this video, we take an in-depth look at this powerful 15 megapixels Wi-Fi solar security camera, featuring an ultra-high-definition 8K image sensor, 3-lens design, 360 degrees PTZ coverage, 10x digital zoom, AI human tracking, PIR motion detection, solar charging, and IP66 waterproof protection. Whether you're monitoring your home, office, garage, construction site, parking area, farm, vacation property, or commercial building, this smart security camera provides outstanding surveillance performance both day and night. The advanced 15 megapixels 8K Ultra HD resolution captures exceptional detail, allowing you to clearly identify faces, vehicles, packages, and other important activity around your property. Key features: 15 megapixels Ultra HD wireless security camera, 8K high-resolution video recording, triple lens camera system, Wi-Fi wireless connectivity, solar-powered operation, built-in 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery, PTZ 360 degrees panoramic monitoring, horizontal rotation, 0 degrees to 360 degrees, vertical rotation, -10 degrees to 180 degrees, 10x digital zoom, AI intelligent human tracking, PIR human motion detection, intelligent motion alerts, full color night vision, infrared night vision, two-way audio communication, built-in microphone and speaker, remote monitoring via mobile app, H.264 video compression, supports up to 256 GB internal storage, supports up to 128 GB TF memory card, email, phone, FTP, and local alarm notifications. IP66 waterproof and weatherproof design, reliable operation from -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. The intelligent AI smart tracking system automatically detects and follows human movement, keeping subjects within the camera's field of view while minimizing false alarms caused by animals, leaves, or changing weather conditions. Integrated PIR human detection improves motion accuracy by using passive infrared technology to detect body heat, providing faster and more reliable alerts whenever someone approaches your property. Powered by a high-capacity 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery and an efficient solar panel, the camera delivers long-lasting operation with minimal maintenance, making it ideal for remote locations where electrical wiring may not be available. The 360 degrees PTZ system allows complete panoramic monitoring with remote pan and tilt control directly from your smartphone, ensuring there are virtually no blind spots around your home or business. With 10x digital zoom, you can remotely inspect distant objects, entrances, vehicles, or other areas of interest without sacrificing monitoring convenience. Built-in two-way audio allows you to communicate with family members, visitors, delivery drivers, or warn unwanted intruders directly through the mobile app, no matter where you are. The rugged IP66 weatherproof housing is designed to withstand rain, snow, dust, heat, and harsh outdoor conditions, providing dependable year-round security. Perfect for home security, business surveillance, farms and ranches, warehouses, construction sites, parking lots, vacation homes, garages, shops and retail stores, gardens, outdoor entrances, remote properties. Whether you're looking for a completely wireless surveillance solution or upgrading your existing security system, this 15 megapixels 8K solar PTZ security camera combines intelligent AI monitoring, ultra-high-definition imaging, long battery life, and reliable weatherproof performance to help keep your property protected around the clock.